let's get started. Today, guys, we're gonna take care of these. I don't know if you saw the previous video that I did. I think it was maybe in August or September where I took off. These were really crazy and took off quite a bit on these. I got way behind on those last time, so I'm gonna try to hit them a little bit earlier this year. You can see they've got quite a bit that needs to come off still. So this is gonna be the first cut. I don't know if you guys have been able to see the wasps flying around in these things, but right about now, this time of the year, these are so thick they provide a good shelter for these wasps. So lucky enough they haven't come out to attack me. They're not very aggressive right now, so just keep going. All right, after all that work, let's see what we've got left in the battery. About halfway. We're doing pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and use the rest of this 4 amp hour in the blower. We're gonna blow this out onto the grass, and then we'll take care of it. I did the first season mow yesterday. If I would have been thinking, I would have done the first season mow after I cut these. That way I could have mulched up or bagged up anything that was left from the bushes. On these little ones, there's not much to blow and bag, so I just picked up a handful of the larger ones and put them in the bag. Whatever's left, all these leaves and things, I think I'm just gonna blow in this corner over here and we'll pick it up. As always, I do appreciate you guys joining me today. These were the only 2 tools that we used today. Ryobi hedge trimmer. What is this? This is the 1 Plus HP brushless. And then, I don't think this is the, yes, the 18 volt that I've been using in the other videos. I actually used these maybe in August to do this same thing, so I'm not sponsored by these guys. But let's see the battery power that we have left. Maybe 1. Yep. All right, guys, let's take one last look. Let's take one last look at these bushes, and we're gonna call it a day. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a good day. He's right in the crevice right here. So I'm gonna get as close as I can, and then he's probably gonna bug out. You guys are all over the place.